Tama na.
I'm not the kind of girl you should be really bargained with on a white girl occasion, but you're not the kind of boy you should be marrying the wrong girl. I sneak in and see your friends, and there's not a little family all dressed in pastel, and she's yelling at the bridesmaid. Summer back inside her own girl, like a pastry. This surely not what you thought it would be. I just myself in a daydream. You'll stand and say, don't say yes, run away now. I'll meet you when you're out of the church at the back door. Don't make or say a single vow. You need to hear me out. And they said, speak now.